Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News Podcast. It's November 2nd, 2025. Today, we're sifting through big signals from Washington, record-breaking DeFi stats, and fresh momentum for Solana. Let's dive in. First up, all eyes were on U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent as he took to X for the 17th anniversary of the Bitcoin white paper. His post shared Bitcoin's unstoppable uptime, calling out Congress for its ongoing government shutdown and highlighting that, unlike the U.S. government, Bitcoin never shuts down. Crypto traders say Bessent's words send a strong policy signal ahead of President Trump's push for a strategic Bitcoin reserve. While the government stalls, the message seems clear. Political momentum is building for U.S. crypto adoption, and investors are watching for bullish moves as ETF buying continues and interest rates trend lower. Switching gears to decentralized finance, DX's shattered records in October, pushing past $1.3 trillion in monthly trading volume. Hyperliquid led the pack, handling nearly $300 billion, followed by Lighter and the Binance-linked Aster. This surge reflects traders steadily migrating away from centralized exchanges, chasing transparency, quicker access to tokens, and risk mitigation after recent controversies. DXs now control over 20% of spot volume, more than double last year. However, huge liquidations and regulatory uncertainty still linger, so risk management remains key for crypto investors eyeing on-chain platforms. Meanwhile, there's a new star in crypto ETFs, Solana. Spot Solana ETFs just chalked up their fourth straight day of inflows, grabbing nearly $45 million Friday and pushing total assets over $500 million. Bitcoin and Ether ETFs, meanwhile, saw hefty outflows as investors rotated profits into Solana's rising staking yields and fresh narratives. Analysts say this capital shift could continue through next week if Bitcoin and Ether consolidate, but sharp macro moves could shake things up fast. Here's what matters. U.S. policymakers are sending pro-Bitcoin signals, DeFi activity is accelerating, and Solana is catching big ETF inflows as investors hunt for the next trend. Don't forget to subscribe and check our daily blog at silklogic.ai for deeper dives and more updates. Stay tuned for your next market briefing tomorrow.